This is a video. Mika! Si Mika. Hi guys. Hi. We're on our way to pick some strawberries. Hi, Marco. Video. They're trying to pick some strawberries. Here. We're here in Strawberry Farm in Baguio. Si Marco na lang. Marco, pick the big ones, please. Marco, this one no big.
That one's big. One is
Oh.
dead. No, why'd you peel it off? Any big one?
Don't just pick anything. Choose the good ones. Fine. It's not many.
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
Kaya nga, sarap. Yeah. Para may Gcash sa labas para makapili tayo.
Oo. Ah, may nakita pa akong malaki. Ayan o, nagtatago dun. Kita mo? Yan.
This one's already been bitten too.
Hayaan mo na. Hanap ka pa ng ano.
It's shaped like a cartoon. Look at that.
Wow. How about you, Marco?
That's a
Teddy, I'm going to take a
How
picture
about
of your harvest. Wait.
Wow. Dami nyo na harvest.
Let's see, let's see.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see again, Mika. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Happy?